Hi, I'm George, and I'm an active customer success manager at Top Hat. Today, we will be showing you how to exempt or assign students to an active assignment. To get started, navigate to the assignment you would like to adjust and click on Edit on the right-hand side. Now, click on Recipients. As you can see, the default is set so that when this assignment is published, every student in the course will receive it. However, if you wish to give an exemption so that a student or multiple students will receive a dash in the gradebook instead of a 0, click on the Individuals Groups button. Finally, click on the red check mark next to each student you would like to exempt from this assignment. If you had previously grouped your students and wish to exempt an entire group of students, you can click on the red check mark that corresponds to the group you wish to exempt. Complete the rest of your assignment settings and publish or hit Save Draft until you are ready to finish creating this assignment. For more information about exempting or assigning students, please visit our support site.